champion, the lion is here. Zobu, zobu, enyimba, master. Toya dike, nenu dike. Toya dike, nenu dike. Iye jamara dike ruen.
This is my 6th or 7th convention, yes. And the reason I keep coming back is for the community, the people. I've made way too many friends here to not come back for what is a family reunion.
I've always wanted to go for years. I heard that it was filled with love, positivity. It taught us a deeper meaning of our culture. So I just flew out, came out here, having a great time.
I have lost count of how many conventions, but I was here 10 years ago. I keep coming back for the people, like the community that I've built over the years, coming back at UIU.
This is my 5th UIU convention. The reason I keep coming back is because this is the biggest opportunity in the United States to meet a lot of young people my age who are also driven, like-minded, and Igbo, and to build community, to network and just find ways to improve and pass on our culture.
This is my 22nd convention. I truly believe that Igbo Amaka, I enjoy all the people. I enjoy the people having a good time. I enjoy the people getting to meet one another. I enjoy the beautiful faces of the beautiful people.
We don't always get to be in this space where you can really reclaim your identity, be very proud of our names and where we come from. It takes intention for us to really preserve our culture and identity, so we have to be mindful of that in every single aspect of life.